Hello again, everybody. Drew Johnson here, East Region Grain Origination Manager with Agtegra with the weekly market update. A short trading week this week due to the Labor Day holiday, but we've seen the corn market kind of hold sideways. The soybean market has kind of been in a sell-off mode, and both wheat markets continue to be under pressure. Regarding the corn market, the December futures contract hit a recent high at 424 futures, and this is falling in line with the resistance point right around 4.25. A thing to be watching going forward, if we can break that 4.25 resistance point, there was a gap created back on July 7th right around the 433 futures level. That is an area to be watching if one is looking to make some sales. In regards to crop progress, 15% of the crop in the United States is mature, while 58% of it is dented. That is falling in line with average numbers. Things to be watching on the corn market. The South American harvest is pretty much complete, and now we watch as traders debate if the world demand will switch to South America. On the soybean side of things, November futures have come off the 1061 high last week and is still trying to hold support around 1040. We did break that this week, but it's still trying to see if it can get back up there. Crop conditions on the week have pod setting at 94% and leaves dropping at 11. Both are within the 5-year average. On the wheat markets, the winter wheat market continues to be pressured, with the Kansas City futures hitting new lows this week at 501. The spring wheat market is also continuing to lag and trying to hold support right around 570 December futures. Next week on Friday at 11 a.m., the USDA will release the next WASDE report. Numbers to be watching will be updated expectations on this year's crop. Overall, we are seeing some decent carries in this market still into the deferred months, and new crop values for corn and soybeans are trading right around 4.5 to 1075 futures respectively. There are some risk management tools that we offer for new crop 26 and have opportunities to get maybe $4 cash or $10 cash soybeans in the new crop 26 timeframe. Call your local grain marketing specialist for details, because we are here to help. That is what we do.